What's up YouTube? Another stable diffusion video using Diffuse. Today I'm going to be covering ControlNets. And so ControlNets are similar to image, but instead of providing it just an image to work with, the image we're providing it with will be a ControlNet. So that ControlNet could be depth map, could be like an edge map, could be an open pose or any other type of ControlNet. So I've got a depth map here ready. So if I load my model, that's ready to go. I've got my depth map ControlNet selected. And so I'm going to take my depth map that I prepared earlier, drag it in here, hit done. And my prompt is going to be a yellow sports car. So if I hit generate, it's going to use this depth map to shape the image. And so we should see a car that looks pretty close to this. Yep, there we go, and it's yellow. And so that's depth maps. And this could be not control nets. This could be a depth map, could be a canny edge map, or a soft edge map, or an open pose, or just whatever you want to use. And so another cool thing in this ControlNet tab is that we don't have to have a ControlNet ready to go. So if I drag this image of this car here, and then I select my extract checkbox, now I can pick an extractor. I'm going to use a depth map. And so what that means is, instead of using this image as the ControlNet, it's instead going to extract a depth map for it and then use that as the ControlNet. So keep the same prompt, a yellow sports car, hit generate, and it's gonna extract a depth map like this one and then use that. So you don't need to have the ControlNet ready to go. And yeah, as you can, I need to hit load and hit generate. And there we go, we've got another yellow sports car from a depth map. So that's ControlNets. Doesn't have to be a depth map. Any of these extractors you can use basically. And that's ControlNets. So hopefully that's been helpful, and I will be back in another video explaining some of these other features. So I'll see you in the next one. Sure.